A breast lift, or mastopexy, is designed to raise the breast and tighten the skin to give your breast a better shape and a more perky look and appearance to it. Most women, over time, their breasts begin to sag, either due to gravity or thinning of the skin, and a breast lift can rejuvenate the way your breasts look and the way you fit into clothing and the way you feel about your overall body and symmetry and harmony. When we do a breast lift surgery or mastopexy, we like to tailor our approach to the specific patient and what their goals are and their expectations are with the type of technique that we are going to use. We offer multiple different techniques for breast lift surgery. Not all breast lifts are the same. Sometimes you need to also use a breast implant. Sometimes you need to also do fat grafting. Sometimes you need to reduce the size of the breast and reduce the overall weight of the breast. And sometimes you need to do a less invasive procedure. And that's the approach that we like to take when we're doing mastopexy and breast lift surgery. There are different techniques when we're doing breast lift surgery. Sometimes we reinforce the breast lift with a biologic mesh, and that is designed to enhance the longevity of the results. Over time, we don't stop gravity, and all breast reconstruction or breast lift surgery will tend to change, it will sag, but when we use additional procedures like mesh or a breast implant, we can improve the overall result and the longevity of the result. A breast lift surgery is very quick and easy recovery. Most patients don't report any significant amount of pain or discomfort. As a matter of fact, most of our patients do not even use prescription pain medication after a breast lift surgery. Most people will feel fine 1 or 2 days after the surgery. You take off from work about 1 week, but you're back to your normal activities after about 2 weeks' time, including going to the gym. Very often we combine a breast lift surgery with an abdominal contouring surgery, such as liposuction or a tummy tuck, and this is often referred to as a mommy makeover. A breast lift operation is a very versatile surgery and can be combined with other techniques at the same time.